Now you're fully onboarded, you can take your first integrated payment. Let's first find a patient with an outstanding invoice. We'll find this test patient here that is £206 outstanding. Let's click OK. We'll set up the payment amount for £1. We'll set it up as a part payment. Set it to credit card, the name of the person to make the payment, and the reason for the part payment. Now, clicking on credit card details is where it launches the integrated billing system. Launch will take about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll be presented with a summary of the payment details on the left and an option to click on the virtual terminal on the right. Simply click here and then enter the patient's name and the patient's card details. Once you've entered the name and the card details, card number, expiry date and CCV, simply hit pay now and that is it. The payment has been captured. You can send a receipt by SMS, you can send it by email, and you can print it out directly. SMS is incredibly popular. You can see here we send a unique link to the patient's phone. They can open that SMS receipt and they can see your customized receipt. You can put in your logo, your other details. You can customize this receipt inside the billing settings. You can also send you send receipt by email, and you can also send receipt by printing it out directly. Sending by email is easy. Type in your email address, hit send. It will send it directly out to the patient. Once you're done, close out. And you can see here, if you close out of the patient's chart, we want to make sure that it's reconciled immediately. And our system reconciles immediately within DGL. Let's have a look inside the patient chart here. We look for the same patient again, and you can see the outstanding amount has changed to now £205. The payment of £1 has been taken and reduced from that patient's chart. That's it. That's an instant integrated payment, and it is now available across all DGL sites. Our next video will cover, sneak preview above, we'll cover all of the various insights and analytics and reporting system that we have inside Billink.